What if I told you that Sarah made $347 in her first 24 hours using AI without any special skills, fancy equipment, or years of experience? And she's not the only one. Right now, while you're watching this video, thousands of people are making money with AI tools that literally do the work for them. Today, I'm going to show you 6 AI-powered side hustles that can put money in your pocket in the next 24 hours. And the best part, you can start every single one of them today with just your phone or laptop. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll have everything you need to make your first $100 with AI this week. Here's the thing, AI isn't just changing the future. It's changing how we make money right now. While most people are still figuring out what ChatGPT is, smart side hustlers are already using AI to create income streams that work around the clock. In the next 10 minutes, I'm going to walk you through 6 proven AI side hustles that can generate income within 24 hours. We're talking real money, real fast, using tools that are available to everyone. For each hustle, I'll give you the exact AI tools to use, where to sell your work, and a step-by-step action plan you can start today. Ready? Let's dive in. First up, AI art for print on demand. This is absolutely crushing it right now. Here's how it works. You use AI to create stunning artwork, then upload it to platforms like Redbubble, Etsy, or Amazon Merch on demand. Every time someone buys a t-shirt, mug, or poster with your design, you get paid. AI tools to use: Mid-Journey for premium quality, Dolly 3 for commercial use, Leonardo AI for free credits. Where to sell? Etsy is perfect for beginners because you can start immediately. Redbubble handles all the printing and shipping for you. Right after this video, create 5 designs around trending topics. Think motivational quotes, cute animals, or seasonal themes. Upload them to Etsy with good keywords. Potential earnings. One viral design can make $50 to $200 in the first day. I've seen people make $1,000 plus from a single trending design. Side hustle number 2, AI content writing for businesses. Content writing is huge, and AI just made it 10x faster and easier. Businesses desperately need blog posts, product descriptions, email sequences, and social media content. With AI, you can deliver high-quality content in minutes instead of hours. AI tools to use: ChatGPT, or Claude for writing, Grammarly for editing, Surfersio for optimization, where to find clients: Upwork, Fiverr, LinkedIn, or even local Facebook groups. Start with small projects to build reviews. Create a Fiverr gig offering AI-powered blog posts for $25 to $50 each. Write compelling descriptions and include samples. Potential earnings. Even at $25 per 500-word article, writing 4 articles in a day nets you $100. Advanced writers charge $100 to $300 per piece. The demand for this is insane right now. Side hustle number 3. AI voiceovers and audiobooks. This one's a goldmine that most people don't know about. With AI voice tools, you can create professional-sounding voiceovers for YouTube videos, commercials, audiobooks, and online courses without ever opening your mouth. AI tools to use: Eleven Labs for incredibly realistic voices, Murph AI for commercial projects, Speechify for quick turnarounds. Where to sell? Fiverr for voiceovers, Axe for audiobooks, or directly to YouTubers and course creators. Create sample voiceovers in different styles: commercial, educational, storytelling. Post them on Fiverr with competitive pricing. Potential earnings: voiceovers range from $50 to $500 per project. Audiobooks can pay $1,000 to $5,000 each. Even small projects add up fast. Side hustle number 4. AI digital downloads. This is probably the easiest way to start making money with AI in the next 24 hours. Create digital products like planners, worksheets, templates, checklists, or guides using AI. Then sell them as instant downloads. AI tools to use: ChatGPT for content creation, Canva AI for design, Gamma for presentation templates. Where to sell? Etsy, Gumroad, or your own website. Etsy is perfect because people are actively searching for digital downloads. Create a 2024 goal-setting planner or productivity tracker. Use ChatGPT for content, Canva for design. Listed on Etsy for $5 to $15. Potential earnings: digital products have no overhead costs. Sell 20 downloads at $10 each. That's $200 in pure profit. Some sellers make $500 per day. Side hustle number 5. AI stock content creation. Stock photos, videos, and graphics are always in demand. Use AI to create high-quality stock content that businesses, marketers, and content creators buy for their projects. AI tools to use: Midjourney or DALL-E for images, Runwell for video generation, Stable Diffusion for custom styles. Where to sell Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, Getty Images, or create your own stock photo website. Focus on trending niches: remote work, AI technology, sustainable living. Create 50 variations and upload to multiple platforms. Potential earnings: each download earns 25 cents to $5. With hundreds of images, passive income adds up. Top creators make $500 to $2,000 monthly. Side hustle number 6. AI social media content for small businesses. Here's the bonus hustle that's absolutely exploding right now. Small businesses struggle with social media content. They know they need it, but they don't have time to create it consistently. AI tools to use: ChatGPT for captions and strategies, Canva AI for graphics, Buffer or Hootsuite for scheduling. Where to find clients: local Facebook groups, LinkedIn, or just walk into businesses and offer your services. Create a sample week of posts for a restaurant or retail store. Show them what you can do, then offer a monthly package. Potential earnings: charge $300 to $800 per month per client. Get just 3 clients and you're making $900 to $2,400 monthly. The best part? AI does most of the heavy lifting. You're just the strategic brain behind it. Before we wrap up, here are 3 golden tips to maximize your AI side hustle success. Tip number 1. Start with one hustle and master it before moving to the next. Focus beats scattered effort every time. Tip number 2. Always add your human touch to AI outputs. Edit, personalize, and improve what AI creates. This is what separates the pros from the amateurs. Tip number 3. Speed is your advantage. While others procrastinate, you can create and launch in hours, not weeks. The early bird gets the worm. And the money? All right, there you have it. 6 AI-powered side hustles that can put money in your pocket in the next 24 hours. Here's what I want you to do right now. Pick one hustle from this list and take action today. Don't overthink it. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Just start. And here's the fun part. When you make your first $50 or $100 using one of these methods, come back and drop a comment below. I read every single one, and I love celebrating your wins with you. The AI revolution isn't coming, it's here, and the people making money with it are the ones taking action, while others are still watching from the sidelines. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more AI money-making strategies, and ring the notification bell so you never miss an upload. Remember, in a world where AI can do the work, your job is to provide the vision and take the action. Now stop watching YouTube and go make some money. I'll see you in the next video.